my Quilty box for the month of August 2020. So Quilty is a monthly subscription service, and I'm actually surprised I got this box because I thought I only signed up for July, the Tulip Pink box, but I ended up getting this the other day. So I kept it, stopped my subscription because I'm just getting way too many boxes, too many projects, too much fabric, but you can never have too much fabric. So let me show you what's in this month's box. It's nice, and if you have males in your life and you're looking for more masculine fabrics, no pinks or feminine colors, this fat quarter set is gonna be marvelous. The curator of this box, which was a little hard to understand from this catalog, but they do say him right on the cover. Actually, I'm gonna butcher this guy's name. Giucy, Giuce? Someone probably is laughing somewhere, but I think that's the way he says his name. I know he's a quilt designer and he lives, I believe, in Brooklyn or New York City. So he did this month's box, and these are the contents of the items in the box. It was a little confusing, but I think Quilty Box does this every month. They posted the contents of the box, but this was Tulip Pink. So even though this man's quilt and his name is on the cover, I personally here would have posted the fabrics or the contents in this particular box, but I don't know, maybe they were printing issues, I don't know. So the first thing is the fabric, and this retails for $30, and it is 6 fat quarters plus it looks like a half yard. So I was confused when I read the main quilt project, and I think there's a misprint in here. In the project for the quilt to make this, sorry, I'm in my bathroom right now. I can't do a video downstairs in my sewing room because my sewing room is actually my dining room and my husband's cooking dinner. So I'm in the bathroom. Anything to get the video out. Here's the quilt. In the project instructions for the quilt, which by the way finishes at 60.5 inches by 64.5 inches, they say you have to buy a contrast fabric white to do, I'm thinking the white in these blocks. You see the white on the top? I think that's a misprint. This is the fabric for that. Let me show you what everything looks like. It's really lovely fabric. I love the feel and the quality of it, and it's high quality, so it's really nice. I think you're gonna like it. So this is the white background fabric, and it looks lovely. This is the first fat quarter. You see that clearly, hopefully. This is the second. Love the hues. The colors are so vivid. This is the third. It also has numbers on it. It's like paint swatch numbers. Really beautiful. The fourth. The 5th fat quarter, and then the last one, which looks like denim. So really, 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 really nice. I'm going to make a quilt for my son. My son is a Marine, a young Marine, young corporal in the Marine Corps, and I'm going to make him a quilt so he has it. It reminds him of home, of me, because he knows I love to quilt. So I miss him a lot. David, this is for you. So that's the fabric. We also got a precision cutter with a blade. I don't know how much I'm going to be using this. I usually use a rotary cutter or scissors, but I don't know. Maybe if I need to do some precision cutting, I would. I don't know. But it looks nice. I mean, precision cutter to me is a box cutter, craft cutter. We got a really pretty thread, 50 weight. Not pretty, it's like variegated greens. And it's 50 weight Wonderfill. It's cotton. 200 meters, I guess. I don't know, I guess it's meters. We got a template to do the project. And you have to cut a lot of these puppies out. And we also got, I don't know, it's this square thing. It has, I think it has his name printed on it. Giuce. Again, I don't know how to say his name. He looks like a very nice man. I'm sorry I'm butchering your name. But it has these little lines on it, and I can tell, you know, a 1/4 inch, you know, less, you know, there's just measurements, 7/8 of an inch maybe, but you can see little lines. I like it that it's a square. It looks like 2 inch by 2 inch. So if you're cutting blocks and you want to do, you know, a fun quilt, maybe 2 inch, maybe it's 2.5 inches. I don't know. I have to measure it. This can come in handy. Comes with a little chain. I wouldn't use it as a keychain, but I'll figure out what to do with this. So that's the box. And like I said, I'm going to stop my subscription for a while. I had only really signed up for the Tulip Pink box, which I have not started that project yet because I need a ton of background fabric to buy. I was getting all ready to cut it out, and there was a lot of cutting in that one, and I had to put the brakes on it until I get the fabric. And this quilt too is going to require additional fabric. So that being said, let me just show you some of the other projects. So you have the quilt, and then you can also, they give instructions to make a paper piece type of quilt. Well, it's more 32 by 32, so maybe like a table topper or a wall hanging. You do need a hexagon, half hexagon acrylic template, which I don't have. And then, well, I might have it from a Sew Sampler box, but I'd have to check the size. And then there is a pillow instruction set that looks pretty nice. It's very modern, prismatic pillow pair. And then they spotlight a subscriber, which is nice. That's Debbie D'Angelo. She's a Quilty Box subscriber. And then they spotlight people that they're gonna curate the next box. So very nice. And they also have an interview with Giucy. I'm cracking myself up. I'm having way too much fun making this video. I'm gonna stop blabbing for now. I hope I inspired you guys to, if not just joining, you don't have to join any subscription I show. By the way, I don't get paid for doing these reviews. I pay for the boxes with my own money. I just hope I am inspiring you to sew, or if you used to sew, you want to start sewing again, or if you've never sewn before, maybe you're thinking about it. I hope I am inspiring you to take it up. So anyway, I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little red button and go subscribe. It's for free. And I'd really love to have more subscribers. It'd be great. And like or dislike the video, it's up to you. And leave me your comments. I love to read your comments and I will surely answer them. Bye-bye.